Hey guys, Thunder E here, and you can clearly see this video is a bit different from what we usually do. Now, I'm spending a day with the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max, and I want to just take you on that journey with me and how I'm actually using the device, especially on this day. Now, a big shout out to our sponsors of this video, Verizon Wireless, where you can get the best 5G devices out there. So definitely go check out, especially the iPhone 12 Pro Max and the 12 Pro, as well as the 12 mini devices. So on the shoot, I wanted to go ahead and find some really cool locations to capture some content, right? I've got my 12 Pro Max, I've got my 12. Now the 12 Pro Max, it's a much larger device. I like the size of the device. I also like the cameras as well. You've got HDR recording, you've got all 3 lenses in there. You've also got a bigger battery, which allows me to spend time shooting throughout the day. And using that ultra wide angle lens really comes into play, especially when I'm capturing content and I'm also capturing video. The fact that I can record on all 3, HDR as well as also 4K 60 makes a whole lot of sense. And there's some really great locations here in Philly for me to scout out and look to see where I want to actually capture that content. What's also really good is that we've got 5G in Philly as well, which helps me especially today, because I'll be capturing a lot of my content and I'll also be, of course, uploading it directly back home, which makes a lot of sense for me for what I want to do right here. And the device like the 12 Pro Max really comes a long way with that, because I can capture the right kind of content, especially, checking out, the Rocky Steps. I know it's not the Rocky Steps, but I like to call it that. And also just going by the Rocky statue, capturing content around there. I've got enough content that I think I like what I'm seeing for what I want to do, but I'm stuck in a few locations. So I figured, you know what, how about I reach out to a good friend of mine, Tech Me Out, and maybe she can help me pick one of those locations. So let's jump into that conversation.
Hey, how's it going?
I'm good. I'm kind of stuck though. I need your help.
Okay. What's going on?
Yeah, I've got 3 locations that I'm scouting for shoots, but I need to pick one. So I need you to help me pick one.
All right. Can you send me some photos of what you're considering?
Yeah, I can. Let me do that.
But wait, is it gonna take a long time? Because I'm a little pressed on time.
No. I've got Verizon 5G Ultra Wideband, so it is going to take a second. I'm gonna send one of those right now, and I'll send another one.
We showing off.
Yeah, of course. And yeah, I'll send one more for you right there. So
All right. Let's see.
those are going up.
Oh, that was quick.
There you go.
Whoa. Okay. I was about to say I only had 2 of them now. Oh wow. Okay. Bet.
All right. So let me know what you think and pick one. All right, and I'll call you back.
All right. Okay. Cool.
Bye.
All right. Bye.
So see, that's one of the beauties of having the iPhone and also having 5G connectivity. Being able to jump on, say, something like, iMessage, or doing a quick FaceTime call. That quick connectivity and that 5G connectivity goes a long way, because you saw me send video files to her and she was able to receive them as soon as I sent them, which was pretty cool, because I was able to continue that conversation, didn't drop in video call quality, and were able to discuss and pick the locations that I liked. That was actually pretty cool, and having that ability there makes a lot of sense, and having that ultra wideband 5G from Verizon also really nails it quite well. Now, with that kind of connectivity, what else can you do with your iPhone? Well, the one thing I like to do is game, and I wanted to see what it would feel like just connecting to my Xbox Series X back at home on my iPhone, and I can easily do that. Again, it's simply going to the Xbox app, open it up, connect, got that remote connection, and boom, I'm there. Now the sad part is I didn't bring my Razer Kishi. I forgot that, and I forgot my Xbox controller, so I couldn't play my Xbox, but I was able to connect to it. I was on, still playing Assassin's Creed Valhalla. Man, I wish I could, but I ended up playing Call of Duty Mobile, and again, the connectivity was great, so I was able to jump into a game and play quite seamlessly. Now, there's so many things to check around here, so many more locations. Let's go ahead and check one out and then continue. All right, guys, I've been running around all day looking for locations to shoot, And you know what's made it easy is having 5G Ultra Wideband on my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Now you're wondering, what is 5G Ultra Wideband? Well, pretty simple. 5G Ultra Wideband is 25 times faster than 4G LTE, 25, which means you got much faster speeds if you're downloading content, whether it's video, or like when I was sending files over to Tech Me Out. It is really fast. Now it also enables things like smart cities and driverless cars, so the future is right here at our fingertips, especially on our devices. Now, I'm glad the 5G Ultra Wideband is built right here in Philly, so I can take advantage of it while I'm doing work. And I gotta look for more locations, but next, let's get some Philly cheesesteak. So one more thing about 5G before I go ahead and get some Philly cheesesteak is that you need a smartphone that captures the network. And I've enjoyed testing out the iPhone 12 Pro Max, the iPhone 12 Pro, the Mini, as well as also the Galaxy family of devices like the Galaxy S20 series and the Galaxy Note. So check them out on Verizon because you will get the best devices and the best network. So using the iPhone 12 and 12 Pro Max to scout, shoot on location, both great devices for that. I kind of prefer the 12 Pro Max more because it's got a bigger battery. I like the larger size. I also like the larger screen. So if I'm just viewing my content again right there, it makes a lot of sense for me, even if I'm viewing the content later. But I also like the fact that the iPhone 12 line from the 12 mini to the 12 Pro Max all are 5G capable. Now, this is something that, we've seen 5G come about and it's expanding in different places. It's here in Philly, and being able to jump on Verizon's Ultra Wideband 5G network, getting those fast speeds you saw, being able to connect to my Xbox, being able to video chat and upload at the same time, to me makes a whole lot of sense. So if you have any questions or any comments, guys, let me know. If you want to find out more about 5G in your city or in Philadelphia, use the links down below. This is Thunder E saying thank you very much and always enjoy your entertainment.